Welcome to your interactive walking tour of beautiful Bath. You're in control. Walk in any direction you like and let the city guide you. As you explore, the camera might turn to reveal a new road. Feel free to follow it. A pop-up will appear in the top right corner with the next video. Follow it to continue your journey. If you don't see the pop-ups, no worries, you'll find all video links in the description below. Enjoy the adventure, discover some hidden gems, and if you're loving the experience, subscribe and come walk with us again.